Good afternoon. Today, I want to talk about how to personalize your own Prezi presentation effectively so you have it the way you want it. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about adding images to your Prezi. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to put your own pictures into the presentation effectively. And I use this picture here because I thought it was a little funny. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to the top of the screen where you will see a tab that reads a plus sign, and it will say insert. And then by clicking this button, you will have several options, and it looks like this bar that I put down below. So below it, you'll have all these different options, right? And you want to click the image option. Next, what you want to do is a sidebar is going to pop up on the side of the screen over here. And what's going to happen here is you're going to choose upload image to browse your device's images and add whatever you want. So it's going to look like this. So you can choose from your library, you can upload from your computer, or you can search images that Prezi already has on hand for you. Next, I want to talk about the bubble shapes of the topic bubbles. So the goal for this is to be able to change the shape of the topic bubbles. So first, I want to talk about the shapes and how you can change the shapes. So you'll see a button that says layout. So you click the button that says style here. I'll zoom in to show you. So you have the style button here. And it's next to the button that you clicked before to add your pictures. And then how you want to choose. So much like adding an image, a sidebar will pop up on the side over here, and you'll choose whichever shape you like. So you can try all these different shapes, and there are many more to go along with it. When you choose one of these shapes, it'll incorporate that shape into all the other bubbles as well to kind of keep it uniform. And finally, I want to talk about customizing your background. So here, students should be able to change the background of their presentation by following these steps. So what you want to do, much like changing the bubble shape, you want to click the style button, which again is located next to the insert button. Next, you choose the background option in this panel, and a sidebar will pop up with numerous different options, and you can choose your favorite background. You can also incorporate a background from your computer as well. So, with all of these different options that you have to customize your Prezi, you should be able to make an effective Prezi in no time.